KindlyMD and Nakamoto merge to pioneer a Bitcoin-focused healthcare tech model. Bitcoin. MicroStrategy. KindlyMD's merger with Nakamoto marks a historic step toward Bitcoin-integrated corporate finance in the real-world healthcare sector. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 2 hours ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. A Utah-based health tech firm, KindlyMD, has officially merged with Nakamoto, a public Bitcoin-oriented entity, to launch a public Bitcoin treasury strategy. Announced on May 9, this merger represents one of the first known cases of a healthcare company adopting Bitcoin as an investment asset and an integral element of its corporate financial strategy. The combined entity will continue under the KindlyMD name and trade on the OTC markets under the ticker symbol BATC. Under the leadership of newly appointed CEO Jack Abel, KindlyMD is positioning itself as a public Bitcoin operating company. The company will be a hybrid corporate structure that blends operational business revenue with a Bitcoin reserve at its financial core. The merger indicates a transformative shift in how a real-world business outside the crypto sector can directly align itself with Bitcoin as a hedge against fiat inflation, economic uncertainty, and centralized financial control. This isn't a side investment, it's a foundational principle, Abel said. We believe Bitcoin's transparency, scarcity, and independence make it the most resilient financial asset for the modern era, especially as companies seek stability in an increasingly volatile macroeconomic landscape. Merging healthcare technology with Bitcoin resilience. KindlyMD, known for its digital health platform that supports alternative pain management, behavioral health treatment, and medical cannabis care, has long focused on using technology to empower patients and enhance outcomes. The company's software tools collect real-time data, track patient-reported outcomes, and enable seamless collaboration between healthcare providers. These services remain central to KindlyMD's operations. However, following the merger with Nakamoto, the company has taken a step into digital assets. The firm has already begun converting a portion of its treasury reserves into Bitcoin, establishing the first phase of what it describes as a long-term capital preservation and growth strategy. The company intends to convert part of its operational profits into BTC, making Bitcoin a passive holding and a dynamic component of its financial infrastructure. The company further outlined a strict Bitcoin treasury policy. This includes storing assets in cold wallets, avoiding leverage trading, and maintaining on-chain transparency by publicly publishing its wallet addresses. The boards of Nakamoto Holdings and KindlyMD have unanimously approved the merger, which also awaits approval from KindlyMD's shareholders. The deal includes $510 million in gross proceeds from a private investment in public equity priced at $1.12 per share, comprising common stock and pre-funded warrants in KindlyMD, along with $200 million raised through senior secured convertible notes due in 2028. The financing is set to close alongside the merger. Once finalized, the combined entity will assume all of Nakamoto Holdings' obligations and partnerships, including marketing services from BTC Incorporated, the publisher of Bitcoin Magazine and host of the annual Bitcoin Conference. KindlyMD Nakamoto merger signals growing trend in Bitcoin treasury adoption. The merger aligns with the increasing interest in Bitcoin treasury strategies as seen in companies like Japan's Metaplanet and US-based Semler Scientific. These firms view Bitcoin as not a short-term investment but a resilient, long-term hedge against financial uncertainty. A recent projection by Bernstein suggests that by 2029, corporations could allocate as much as $330 billion to Bitcoin, with many following MicroStrategy's lead, which popularized the concept of Bitcoin as a treasury asset. Small-cap and low-growth companies are turning to Bitcoin as an alternative growth path. Projections indicate these firms will contribute $205 billion of the projected influx over the next 5 years. While the Bitcoin treasury model is not one-size-fits-all, it has proven to be an attractive option for companies with significant cash reserves and a desire for long-term value preservation. MicroStrategy's continued success with this strategy, demonstrated by its growing Bitcoin holdings, now worth $52.5 billion, further validates the approach. Institutional interest is also rising as public companies collectively hold over 723,000 BTC, signaling a shift towards Bitcoin as a recognized store of value. However, while private sector adoption accelerates, state-level adoption of Bitcoin remains hesitant. Florida's recent decision to withdraw legislation that would have allowed state funds to be allocated to Bitcoin reflects ongoing concerns over volatility and fiscal responsibility. Follow us on Google News. Trending News. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price prediction. Here's when experts say $1,000 could become reality. Ripple behind Trump's XRP post. Could this controversy trigger a rally to $1,000? XRP price prediction. XRP price prediction. South Korean investors bet big on Ripple. Can XRP reach $5 in May? Price analysis. XRP price ready for comeback. Analysts see bull movement and strong potential for upward trend. May 4, 2025. By Arslanbut. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. While Bitcoin dominates headlines, Ripple surges 8% this week. Can momentum push XRP past $2.50 resistance? 2 days ago. By Arslanbut. Altcoin news. Coinbase revenue from XRP tops ETH SOL as holdings soar 458%. Is XRP price ready for breakout? 3 days ago. By Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy for 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 6 days ago. By NSS Tavares. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. May 6, 2025. By NSS Tavares. 12 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025, full pre-sale list. March 3, 2025. By Meb Keelikutty. 10 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By NSS Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.